For a very long time, I lived in constant anxiety, stress, and fear. I was afraid of situations that never even happened and ignored the fact that I was creating these thoughts myself. I was always living in the mind, constantly creating thoughts and believing in them when they weren't even true. It would usually start with, what if? What if I lost my job? What if I ran out of money? Or what if I made a big mistake at work? Living in constant fear and anxiety causes a lot of stress on the body, in particular the adrenal glands, which is the emotional gland. This is why it is so imperative to first get off any stimulants like energy drinks and caffeine, which create a fight or flight response in the body. Bringing in high electromagnetic energy foods like fruits, herbs, and vegetable juices is important in supporting the adrenal glands while turning on our cells. Processed foods, fast food, meat, and dairy are low vibrational foods and take a long time for the body to digest. What fuel we put in our body every day is the very first step in how the mental, emotional, and physical bodies will function. You are only as great as the energy you are consuming. Consuming high, raw, living foods and positive energy from people and nature plays a huge impact on our health and all of our bodies. Everything else is a waste and is energy depleting. Moving away from fear is also about your focus. Realize that you are not your mind. Your mind is a body, just like your physical and emotional body. You, as soul, have control over your bodies. Learn to simply observe your thoughts and watch them pass by like clouds in the sky. You can choose what cloud you may want to focus on, or you can let that cloud pass. Now focus on the present moment. If you're outside, look at the flowers, smell the fresh air, or listen to the birds. Pay attention to their sounds. If you're inside, go find a mirror and look at yourself and focus on what you love about yourself. Say at least 5 things you love about yourself and just simply observe yourself in real time. The point of this practice is to allow you to step out of the mind and into the present moment. Try to be more in the present. The past has already gone and cannot be changed, and the present is what we have now and can change. And the future is only a continuation of the present moment. Remember, what you focus on will grow. If you focus on the weeds, they will grow. If you focus on the flowers, they will grow. This is all about where you put your attention and your focus. And just like changing the channel of the TV, try switching from the present moment back to the mind, and then back to the present moment, and then back to the mind. The mind being a tool that you can use, and you being the controller. When you focus on love, it will grow, and that will guide you. Always follow your heart and be here now. Try to be more in the present moment and remember who the controller is.